A nutritious diet not just help keep your body healthy from inside but also from outside too. Especially, consumption of vegetable and fruit juices is one of the most effective and fastest ways to get a healthy skin. No more complaining about your skin troubles. It is time to juice them away. How do juices help your skin get better? How do they help when you are not applying them on the skin? Well, here's everything you'd want to know about juices for glowing skin. How do juices help in making your skin glow? Most vegetables and fruits contain fiber and other essential nutrients that helps flush out the toxins that affect your overall skin and hair healthy. They also consist of antioxidants that inhibit the growth and effect of free radicals in the body, which are responsible for damaging body cells. Applying kitchen ingredients on your skin may help for a shorter span, but intake of nutritious vegetable and fruit juices will help your skin glow from within. Loca, seasonal fruits are the best for you. And make sure you purchase your fruits from a trusted vendor. Fruits with pesticides are known to be very detrimental for health. Best juices for glowing skin. 1. Apple juice. No wonders. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Those wonder fruits are super healthy for skin and overall health. Apples contain a significant amount of collagen that makes your skin elastic and glowing. They also contain antioxidants that prevent signs of premature aging that include skin tissue damage and wrinkles. 2. Papaya juice. This humble fruit has always come to rescue whenever needed. The fruit contains an enzyme known as papain that helps clear the skin impurities and reveals a clear and bright skin. Drink up papaya juice regularly for a soft and gleaming skin. 3. Spinach juice. Green leafy vegetable juice may not taste delicious, but they are extremely beneficial for your skin. Spinach juice is said to be rich in iron and vitamin K that are essential for getting a flawless skin. These greens also contain vitamin C, E and manganese that are antioxidants protecting your skin from damage causing free radicals. 4. Ginger lemon juice. The good old kitchen ingredient ginger is a rich source of potassium and niacin that are essential minerals for your body. They contribute in keeping your skin healthy and glowing. It is tough to sip on ginger juice alone. In order to make it tastier, you can add lemon and other veggies as well. 5. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate has the ability to purify blood that further helps in nourishing your skin and making it glow. It also has anti-aging properties that help in cell renewal that leads to young and beautiful skin. 6. Fresh tomato juice. Tomato is packed with high concentration of antioxidants that help in reducing the signs of premature aging like wrinkles and fine lines, making your skin look fresher and youthful. Tomatoes help in shrinking your pores, removing tan and reducing sebum. Drinking a glass of tomato juice is definitely one of the best juice for glowing skin. 7. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is one multitasker that does wonders for your skin and hair along with overall health. It is rich in vitamins and minerals that help maintain the natural glow of your skin. It has hormones like auxin and gibberellins that are known to be skin healers.